BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we have been looking for the reversal. We had opportunity to look for buy either from here or here. And we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy from this one, we need to see with the targets we can look for is 598 following by 612. Because we mentioned we need to see the breakout of this one. And as we can see, the price broke. And no one see what's the next. For those traders, they get the trade within this one. At least move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. And we start with the daily chart. Anyway, based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking at this correction. That's why we mentioned if we get any opportunity, any for buy, any reversal, we'll take it. And with the breakout of 800, based on this is the 800, based on daily chart, we're looking for 907 as a first target, following by 1050 as a second target. All right. That's mean we want to see whether this is the start of the up move or not. That's mean if you get any reversal, any trade for buy, we mentioned we will take the trade. And if we move to forward chart, even based on forward chart, since the price retest the previous low following by divergence, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. All right. Now we're looking to see, because after the breakout of this one, the next target we have been looking for, it was 638. I give an update quite late, but we need to see whether the price could break 638. With the breakout of 638, we can look for 661, and with the breakout of the 661, then we can refer to the previous stop based on daily chart. The next target will be somewhere around 730, right? But what I can see here, we are expecting to see the correction for continuation. That's why if you want to look for the next trade, we have to wait for the correction, and we should know how to manage our trades. And if you move to 1 hour chart, as we can see, the price almost near to the third target. That's why for those traders, they get the trade within this one. If they haven't taken the trade in the profit, at least book some profit. To look for the next trade, we have to wait for the flag or correction before we take the next trade. And with the breakout of 638, we have to see the breakout of 660. By the way, at this point, we cannot look for trade because we don't have any trade set up, and simply we cannot jump in. We have to wait for the correction before we take the next trade. And because even if you're looking for continuation, even if you want to look for buy, we have to wait for the trade setup. Mostly we cannot expect to get the trade based on forward chart. That's why we have to get the trade based on either 1 hour or 15 minutes. But at least we have to wait for the flag. And as I say, we are expecting to see the correction. That's why for those traders, they get the trade, at least book some profit. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.